are at the Eastern States Exposition at the Better Living Center in Springfield, Massachusetts. We're here for the Amherst Hobby Show. Stopping by the Kalmbach booth here, we'll head around and take a tour of the Better Living Center building. This is one of 4 buildings at the train show. Historic organizations, or manufacturers. The MTH folks are here. The MRC folks are here. The high rail guys know Ross Custom Switches. Good folks from NCE are here. Athearn and Atlas, right across the aisle from each other. Smaller manufacturers. A little bit of G-gauge, O-scale, N-scale layouts, a little bit of Z-scale. And if you thought G-gauge was big, many manufacturers are offering clinics.
Now I'm going to take about the same I'm going to use this for. Now remember with the hydrocal I said that the right formulation was good.
The 1 to 87 Vehicle Club has an excellent display. Cranes, cars, and Hellgate Bridge. Lots of excellent inspiration here. There are lots of layouts here as well. Pillars of the hobby. Tourist train destination. Again, we've got lots of retailers, vehicles. If you need any Hot Wheels, or maybe some things for under the tree, there's Flyer here too. More detail parts. Railroadiana. I don't think that Penn Central sign is going to fit into my suitcase. Model ships for your layout. As you can see, there's also lots of out of stock, old stock, and new old stock stuff available for your purchase. Entertainment for the kids. Thank you. Oh yeah. Some high rail vehicles and a steam engine. This would be a little hard to fit in the basement. Great day to be inside at a train show.